and this is all a karst area, guys. So today's topic, today's goal is to show you some very nice places, some very nice locations. It is really wet, guys, that's why I'm taking easy. The whole field is covered with water. This is a karst field, guys, as you can see, and we are gonna go and pass this water area. We are gonna go through. You see the road there and the car there, white one. Yeah, we are gonna do it right now, really. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to another episode of Discovering Slovenia 2. This is the first episode of Discovering Slovenia 2 with the Tracer 9, guys, and today is the 8th of November 2023. It's a bit chilly, I would say also a bit cold. It's 6 degrees. I am here at Cagiva. This is a very well-known location for bikers. Here we have some very nice twisties coming from that way here down, all the way down to the Planinsko Polje. It would be in English Planinsko field. It is a karst field, and this is all a karst area, guys. So today's topic, today's goal is to show you some very nice places, some very nice locations, and one, it's gonna be a very nice mansion, or let's say a castle. The other one is gonna be a very nice lake, special lake in my opinion, and then after all I will show you another castle, but that one, it's also a museum. It is wet, as you can see, but it is, let's say, good enough for riding. It is really wet, guys, that's why I'm taking easy, and here we see the November fog, I would say, and in front of us it's already full of water. I mean, the field, it's full of water, and this is the Planinsko Polje, like I previously mentioned. This area, it's also a well-known area because of all karst formation, like caves, fields, and other smaller formations, but for tourism the most known formation, or let's say attraction, are caves, and the most known cave in Slovenia is Postojnska cave. You probably heard about it, but there are also other caves. We are here right now in the Notranjska region. They promote themselves as a green region, even the most green region in Slovenia, and they have a lot of forests, they have a lot of natural beauties, and I agree about being the most green area in Slovenia. So now we will see the Planinsko Polje and a very well-known river that it's let's say passing Ljubljana. It has several names, and when it is passing Ljubljana, it's Ljubljanica. Otherwise it has also other names like Stržen, Obrh, and so on. So Ljubljanica river, but here it is named Unica, guys. So very soon we are gonna see the Unica river. And we are in Planina, and the field, it's called just after Planina, so Planinsko polje, municipality of Postojna. The whole field, it's covered with water. This is a karst field, guys, as you can see, and we are gonna go and pass this water area. We are gonna go through. You see the road there and the car there, white one. Yeah, we are gonna do it right now, really. The autumn and very early winter, it's very nice here. As you can see, the whole field, this is Planinsko polje, guys. It's covered with water. And now we are gonna pass the Unica river that I previously mentioned. So a very, very nice piece of Slovenia, in my opinion. And there it's the mansion, or some also call it castle. We are gonna see it right now. I wouldn't say that this is an abandoned mansion or castle, but these are just ruins, guys. So ruins of a mansion or castle that was very important in history, and it is called Hochberg Mansion, and it is known from the Baroque era, and it had several owners, but today, as you can see, it is abandoned, and people are stopping here looking at the ruins and taking photos, but this is all. You can see the colors of the leaves. Now it's late autumn, and it is worth stopping here, in my opinion. Natural protected area, as we can see, and the Unica river, it's a karstic river, and it's a very well known one because it's let's say always present with its water in the field. And here we can see that here are a lot of animals, very important animals for the area and biosphere and so on. So just like I said, when it's raining and when it's a lot of rain, and during the autumn, but also spring, this area, the field there, it's covered with water because the underground water are very high, and the area is just flooded. Here is the history of the Hochberg Manor, or mansion, as you wish, guys. So it had several owners, starting from the Baroque era till the mid 20th century, when it was destroyed because of the fire but nowadays it's just a very calm place to take photos and to sit, to relax, to enjoy. We are heading to Cerknica, and there it is, that very special lake that I previously mentioned. So we have some kilometers to cover, but it is not far from here. We are already in the municipality of Cerknica, and the lake it's just straight ahead. Those of you who are interested in my Discovering Slovenia 2 videos, please check the whole playlist. I have already filmed some of them, and I think that this series it's a nice one, especially for those of you who are not from Slovenia, so that you may get an overview of what to see in Slovenia, where to go, where it's something very important to see, and so on. So this is my intention, but otherwise, if you are from Slovenia and watching my videos, I mean the Discovering Slovenia 2 series, you are very welcome, and thanks for doing it. About filming in Slovenia, guys, I have to say that this year I wasn't all the time in my country, so I didn't have a lot of opportunity to film for you, but I went on two longer trips. I would say the one was to Bosnia. You can check my videos about that trip. I have a playlist, go and check it. And the other one, it's even longer, and it was to Romania. It was in July, and you can go through all my episodes and have fun. So trip to Romania with the Yamaha Tracer 9. Now it's 9 degrees Celsius. It is a bit warmer, but still chilly, and the sun, it's already out, as you can see, and this is just great, guys. About the Notranska region, some words, some thoughts. The Notranska region, it's a very green one. They say it's the greenest, and I would agree with that. The area has a lot more to offer than I am showing it right now to you. So they say that this is the cradle of skiing, and there is also a skiing museum. The area, it's also a well-known one because of the carnival, so masked carnival. It's also held in Cerknica, and it is a very, very well-known carnival in Slovenia, but some other things that I would like to mention. There is also a lake museum, and this is the lake that I would like to show it to you right now. So let's wait and see. There is also Križna Jama. It is a quite known cave, Križna cave in English. You can enter there using the boat, and you have quite a lot to see inside, so I would really recommend it. And we are almost in Cerknica. There is the church, and the lake is on the right, guys. This is a protected area, and it's part of the Notransky Regional Park, and right now it's autumn, and here is just a lot of water, so the whole valley it's covered with water, because this is a karst terrain, and the underground it's already full of water. Here you can do really a lot of activities, from cycling to walking, trekking, or just enjoying and relaxing, watching, bird watching, guys. You can do a lot of things. A very, very nice part of Slovenia. I am heading to the Snežnik Castle, or Castle Snežnik, Grad Snežnik in Slovenian, and this is very close to Cerknica, so you have a couple of kilometers to cover, and you are there. So in my opinion, this is a beautiful castle. It's among the top 3 in Slovenia. So as you can see, on the left side and on the right side are mountains, and the Notranska region, it's a mountain region, and it is covered with a lot of forests. We are here, guys. Grad Snežnik, the Snežnik Castle. There. Wonderful, wonderful. In my opinion, one of the most beautiful castles in Slovenia, and it is also very well preserved. And as you can see, because of the floods and a lot of rain, here we have a lot of water, but around the castle there is let's say a kind of a drainage where the water can go. Among all these very old trees, there is just this masterpiece in terms of the architecture and history and cultural heritage and so on. So it had also many owners, and it's very well restored and wonderful to see and to visit. I was there inside several times, and I remember that there is a very special telephone from the end of the 19th century, and it is connected via tube, so you can speak into a tube, and somebody that is on the upper floor can hear you. So quite innovative approach for that time. A tube telephone, I would call it. Okay guys, this was all. This was another episode of Discovering Slovenia 2, this time with the Yamaha Tracer 9. I hope that you enjoyed, I hope that you had fun. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one guys. Thanks for watching.